What's up, everybody? In this video I am going to be installing the Ruroc Shockwave in my 4.0 helmet. So let's get to it. Alright, so I'm going to install the Shockwave on my Ruroc 4.0 helmet. I guess it's pretty easy to do, so I've already taken the headliner out. So I did that on my last video, so I'm just making this one out. So I'm not taking it right back out to do this video. So this is the unit. Volumes up and down. USB power. I think that's to this other button is to maybe pair it, or I don't know what that is. But anyway. Just take off this plate by pushing that down. Then you have two plugs. And either one of them just push in, if I'm not mistaken. They don't give you a lot of room, that's for sure. There, you push until it clicks. And then, you just got to make sure your cables are going to be pointed this way. And then the unit's in. It just pushes in. I don't know how hard it is to get out. Let's see. Yeah, not hard at all. So it just pushes in. And you just pull, and it pulls out pretty easy. Then you have the speakers and the mic. So the mic will go on this side over here because that's where they have the spot for the mic. So we will install this side first. If we can see that, you just plug in. It makes it pretty nice. You don't have a bunch of extra wires. Well, they're not the easiest to push in, maybe. I'm trying not to break it. Crap. Yeah, wow. That was harder than I feel like it should have been. And then you just stick it on the Velcro spots that they have. You can adjust them front, more forward or back or what have you. They're pretty good. Solid speakers, they feel like. So now we're going to install the other headset with the mic. See if I can do this any better. Yeah, that was easier. I guess this goes. It's interesting. So I pointed the wires more towards the front where the mic goes. If not, the mic I don't think would have reached good enough. So and that's it. And then, I mean, that is a pretty clean install, if I would say. And again, the only reason why I got this, and I'm hoping this will pair with my Indian Challenger, so I don't have to run the center on the side of the helmet. So, anyway, I'll want to put the liner back in, and then I'll show you after that. But 5-minute install, and you're good. I put a video up about headliners, comparing the different headliners between the different versions, so go check those out. So we're going to try to get this headliner in. Tell you the brows, the fit is better than the 3.0 because the 3.0 just came out when I originally rode with it. I'll try to find the picture and put it up, post it up. Unlike the 3.0, the 4.0, you got to actually feed the liner through the slot in the make sure all your snaps snap in or click or something. Man, I'm telling you, these cheek pads are better. Anyway, the Shockwave install is pretty easy, so that's good to know. That's good. Yep. I can't. Oh. I'm making this harder than what it probably really is. There. And that is that. It's in. It's a nice clean look. The mic goes here. The headphones are pretty buried in the thing, so we'll see how well it sounds. And that's it. And minus the liner. And fighting with the liner, another 5-minute install. So, and that's it. I will talk to you later. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff if you feel so inclined. I'm going to charge this up, and my next step will be to see if I can pair this with my motorcycle and see if that all works. So I'll talk at you later. Bye.